A lot of people who don't really know what life's all about, and you see them looking kind of, well, not very well dressed, not very clean. You'll learn this very simple lesson. And if you want to be happy in life, keep the commandments. And if you want to be really miserable, break them. Or even bend them. It's just that simple.
Guaranteed.
Keeping the commandments will give you joy, even on difficult days. Days when death or illness or tragedy strikes. You can even find joy knowing that the truths of the gospel will see you through, and you'll understand. You'll have a better perspective.